Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this gorgeous Jaguar F-Pace. It's a 3-litre V6 Diesel S finished in Firenze Red, and this 68 plated vehicle has covered just 23,789 miles, and as you can see it looks absolutely stunning. Starting with the front, and you're presented with the S front bumper along with a gloss black radiator grille with matching gloss black surround and the lower black side intakes with matching gloss black accents. This vehicle also comes equipped with the incredible AWD headlights with signature daytime running lights, not only looking the part but also helping in a range of different driving conditions. This vehicle wears the amazing 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the Jaguar branded contrasting red brake calipers, along with the gloss black lower door trim, which ties in nicely with the gloss black Jaguar side vents as shown here. The auto dimming power fold heated door mirrors with approach lights follow, along with keyless entry as featured on the door handle. This vehicle also features gloss black window surround along with the rear privacy glass, which is ideal for backseat passengers, and also features gloss black roof rails and a sliding panoramic roof. Yet another look at those incredible 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and as we step away from the vehicle you can really begin to appreciate just how amazing this looks, especially with the exterior black pack. Progressing towards the rear, and you are presented with the body coloured integrated sporty looking roof spoiler along with the continued rear privacy glass and relevant Jaguar model badging in chrome. This vehicle also features the incredible rear taillight design along with the lower S gloss black rear bumper with dual exhausts. This Jaguar F-Pace features an electric tailgate, which means one simple button press will automatically open the boot lid, revealing that huge 650-litre boot, which could comfortably fit up to 2 large suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. Lifting up the boot flooring also reveals a spare space saver wheel, ideal for if you ever find yourself caught out. In order to close, simply press the button located here on the bottom of the boot lid and it will close automatically, a really nice and convenient feature. Jumping inside now, and you are presented with the gorgeous ebony leather interior, where illuminated metal tread plates greet you upon arrival, along with the S branded multifunctional leather steering wheel with satin chrome paddle shifters. Neatly designed center console follows a sleek gear selector, along with a fantastic Meridian sound system and the brilliant perforated leather front heated sports seats with S embossing and 18-way electric adjustments. Upon starting the Jaguar F-Pace, you are presented with a clean and responsive digital instrument cluster, along with a fantastic 10-inch Touch Pro display, which provides access to a wide range of functions as demonstrated here. Selecting navigation presents you with a clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you'll get to your next destination in no time at all. There is also a media option, allowing you to choose from a range of your favourite radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. A phone option is also provided, allowing you to pair your device via Bluetooth, ideal for conducting hands-free calls. The heated seat options can also be accessed, perfect for setting temperatures on those cold winter mornings. Additionally, the rear reversing camera can also be accessed, and when selecting reverse, yellow guidelines appear, helping you to get in and out of those tight spaces. Lower down houses the dual zone climate control, perfect for setting individual temperatures, along with a sleek gear selector and additional driving modes. And when selecting dynamic, this can be presented on screen as demonstrated here, allowing you to tailor your vehicle setup. Dual cup holders can also be found and hidden, along with additional armrest storage with a 12V power socket. Another really nice feature is a sliding panoramic roof, where one simple button press will automatically retract the headlining like so, and a second button press will automatically open the glass roof, truly enhancing the cabin experience and allowing you to feel the summer breeze. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring matching ebony leather seats with white contrast stitching and integrated ISOFIX points. There is also rear luggage netting along with dual air vents and heated seat options. The rear passengers can also benefit from a rear retractable armrest. If this truly breathtaking Jaguar F-Pace is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Jaguar Crewe on 01270 445 200, and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.